silk. This is satin. Now don't get me wrong, I love this robe. There is a world of difference. I wanted to show this to you. I just bought one for myself because my daughter has had one for like a year and a half and I love it. I've even used hers. So I bought my own because this thing is amazing. This is a silk bonnet, silk hair cap, however you want to say that. It is not a shower curtain, okay? I would not wear this in the shower. Not a shower curtain. It is not a shower cap. Okay. Like 10 different colors. I chose light gray, which is what this is. That's pretty much everything that comes in the box. But again, this would be a cute little box if you were gifting it. So just thought I'd mention that. There is nothing I don't love about this. And the transformation that I have seen in my daughter's hair as a result of using this. Her hair is always super shiny. Now I have this right here, which I use almost every night, you know, the little heatless curls, but my hair was really frizzy, but she puts this over this and her hair, I'm telling you, the girl has like Victoria's Secret beach waves on the daily. It's actually kind of annoying, but I'm looking forward to having it myself. So this is the front and it has sort of like a ruched detailing. Back is elastic like this. And what I love about this is it stays in place. Like it doesn't move around at night and slip off your head. When you go to wash this, don't throw this in the washing machine. It says you can do it on like gentle cycle. I don't. When I wash hers, I just put it in like sort of little bit warm, not hot water, and add some woolite, agitate it by hand, then I lay it out flat to dry. I love that this is 100% mulberry silk on both sides, this side and the other side. This is not satin. Okay, and I have a satin robe, so I wanted to show you, and it is also in light gray. I wanted to show you the difference. This, come back here. This is silk, this is satin. Now don't get me wrong, I love this robe. There is a world of difference between how satin feels, beautifully soft, buttery soft, and silk, which just feels otherworldly in some way. If you've ever touched satin or low quality silk, you will know that this is a high quality item. It stretches to 21 to 23 inches. And the reason why I got this again is because of my daughter's hair, but I mean, it helps with taking the frizz out, keeping your hair more moisturized, reduces breakage, which is something that I struggle with, you know, because you're sleeping at night and your head and the pillow are in like a death match, just slide around. I also have a silk pillowcase. And I also like that now when I've borrowed hers in the past, I didn't wake up with weird lines on my forehead. When I've had some other ones in the past that they slipped off my head or had these crazy lines on my forehead and I was not here for that. And this does not leave any of that, which is why I finally decided to just bite the bullet and buy my own. I know we all spend so much money on hair products and good shampoos and conditioners and all the rest, but the reason I like this is doing the work for my hair while I'm sleeping. So I don't have to spend as much money on hair products or doing my hair because this keeps my curls when I have them intact and it makes sure that I don't wake up like a frizzy hot mess and go out of the house looking like a crazy person. This is a yes. Give this to your girlfriend or your wife or your mom, and yeah, and I don't know, it has like this sort of 1920s sort of a vibe to it. It's just really pretty. And obviously when you touch it, you know, you can just feel, oh, this is quality. You just know it. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.